guys, okay, so listen, I actually had to break down and get a new hair dryer. Now, I have always wanted a standing rolling hair dryer so that when I do my wigs or if I dry my hair or roller set it, I want to be able to just kind of hover it over the hair instead of having to adjust it up and down with the tabletop version that I had before. I actually had a gold and hot, and I think that thing died on me probably 2 or 3 months in. I didn't even do a review on it because it just didn't hold up. But I have this one here, and I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. It's Tasalon, Taslon. So this is the standing roller hooded dryer bonnet, and what I'm going to do is go through this unboxing and I'm going to hopefully assemble this, and if not, they also have directions for assembly for this I believe on Amazon, and there's a couple of other reviews that have been done, and I've seen people actually do the actual assembly. So, but I'm going to still try to do it anyway, make it as simple as possible. So let's get started. Well, guys, as you can see, I'm not very happy right now, and I am very glad that I did this unboxing on video. Now, clearly, as you can see, it's damaged. It came cracked, pieces broken. Could have happened during shipping, I don't know. I am just so disappointed right now. Look at that. Look at that. That is just, I'm so disappointed right now. But I'm going to reach out to, I am going to reach out to Amazon customer service. And this was supposed to actually be a delivery for Prime that was supposed to come in 2 days. That's a whole nother story. But in any event, that's the unboxing. So I will get back to you on the next go round and see how long it takes for them to replace this for me, and maybe we can start this all over again. Thanks for watching.